Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we are going to cover about the conversion of binary to decimal and decimal to binary. So first, we are going to see about binary to decimal. So I am giving one example. The binary value is 11100. See the base is 2. If the base is 2, it is a binary value. Then we have to convert this into decimal value, right? So the decimal value base is 10. So we have to find this value. We have to find this value. What is the value we have to find? So how to find? First, you have to identify which is most significant and which is least significant. So we already know that the most significant will be the leftmost, right? So this is most significant and this will be the least significant, right? Leftmost will be the most significant, rightmost will be the least significant. So make it, this will be 2 to the power 0. This will be 2 to the power 1. This will be 2 to the power 2. This will be 2 to the power 3. This will be 2 to the power 4. Okay. So this will be 2 to the power 4. Okay. Done. Now you have to take and write this. So 0 into 2 to the power 0. 0 into 2 to the power 0. Then plus 0 into 2 to the power 1. Then plus 1 into 2 to the power 2. 1 into 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2. Plus 1 into 2 to the power 3. 1 into 2 to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power 4. So what is the value of 0 into 2? 2 to the power 0 is 1. 1 into 0 is 0. So let's see. Plus 0 into 2. 2 to the power 1 is 2. Then 4 into 1. 2 to the power 2 is 4. 4 into 1 plus 2 to the power 3 is 8. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Into 1 plus 2 to the power 4. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So it is 16. So 16 into 1. So 1 into 16 is 16 plus 1 into 8, 8 plus 1 into 4, 4 plus 0 into 2, 0 plus 0 into 1, 0. So 16 plus 8 plus 4 is 28. So the decimal value of 11100 is 28. Okay. So this is the decimal value of binary value of binary value of 11100 is 28. Decimal value of 20. Next we are going to convert this decimal to binary. Next we are going to convert decimal to binary. Okay, next clear the form. So we are going to convert to decimal. We will take the same value, 28. So 28 is a decimal value. So base 10, we have to convert this to the binary value. What is the binary base? Base is 2. So first, take the binary value 28. So divide this by 2. Divide this by 2. What is the value? 14, right? So any remainder is there? The quotient is 14. There is no remainder. So it is remainder is 0. Then I am dividing this by 2. The value is 7. Is there is any remainder? No. The quotient is 7. There is no remainder. Next I am dividing this by 2. 7 is divided by 2. So 3. 2 3s are 6. Okay. Any remainder? 1. Next. The 3 is divided by 2. Then one time I can able to divide. So 1 and the remainder is 1. So how you have to take and write this is the most significant bit and this is least significant. So this will be the most significant and this will be the least significant. So how we have to write? 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the binary value of 28. So 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, clear? So inshallah next video.